Welcome back to Pree Dis right here on your favorite station, on your favorite wah. It's now time for the Fruta Premier League player profile. And we are in Cavaliers this week to speak with Chevon Marsh. So Chevon Marsh, talk to about some football. Here, I'm telling you why you love Fruta and all of these things. Ready? Pree Dis.
Playing for Cavaliers is a great feeling. Before reach a Premier League, playing in the playoff, actually brought score in the playoff match against New Green, which led them to the Premier League. It's a wonderful feeling.
Describe for us your responsibility as a midfielder.
As a midfielder, you have to get by defender, create space, create goal, score goals. As Iniesta, Xavi, can name the greats. Messi, create, score. I've been playing for Cavaliers from approximately age 10, coming from under 13, come straight up to the big team.
What would you say has been the highlight for you playing Premier League?
The highlight for me playing Premier League is the Monday Night Football, which a tremendous. Several coaches from all over the world been watching. It's a big highlight. I'm from 72.5 Manning Road, which called Hungry Town John Lane. I attend Calabar High, which it's really there. My career highlight the real way, which I get a lot of disappointments still in my career, which I use those things to build on life when I was overlooked for the past under 17 World Cup, which the under 20 World Cup right now, I'm overlooked as well.
Being a member of the team here, how has it enhanced you as a player?
It's built me mentally, physically. It helped me a lot, tell you the truth, to prepare me for the higher heights, the outer world. Because right now I'm focused on a contract. Spirit time, either watch track and field, which I'm from Calabar, which produced the best set of runner them, Ramon Mackenzie and so on. I watch movies and those stuff, listen music, Da Vinci. But Da Vinci come from my community, Hungry Town.
But how me fit just I'm not certain. Where you are to behind curtain. No for them say them are your friend. When you check it out, them is a different person. Them now want to get you.
When me push it on you, me I beg you push it back. Can you push it muscle, girl? Can you push it fat? Come on, you me tight, girl. Can you push it right, girl? You push it good, you push it good, you push it good. You really go and drop. Make the bass line roll and catch. I'm in love how the rhythm just a tap. Me I'm a woman.
Say them for farm and them a farm food. Me tell the boy stuff it till it's silent. Tell me same blood a boil and it can't cool.
I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
Every girl for your ticket on every girl for your pocket on
Alright, know me a party non-stop. And the gal them so hot, and the thugs them roll up. Pass me a buckle of more hot. Gal them
Nah call when me a the only man with pants pan waist. Me nah follow nobody. And when the old Jamaica bleach them face, me nah follow.
Then don't so untouched too.
I spend the time with my gal and I give me bone. I spend the time with my woman and my woman I give me bone.
Well, everybody, I'm sorry to say, but that's all we have for you on this week's edition of your favorite show. It's all about Pree Dis. Remember, follow us on Twitter at Pree Dis Show. That's PREDISSHOW. And remember, follow me on Twitter at TheCruddy, THEKRUDDY. Big up to all the viewers that tune in every week on Flow TV, Entertainment Plus, Carib Vision, Carib Cable. The whole works. Remember, we are coming to Canada and New York in just a couple of weeks. So all the fans over there, We don't have to watch YouTube so much again. Because we're going to on live TV over there. So until next week, I'm your host, Cruddy. Big up Terrence, big up Kevin, big up the whole team over there. Right, I'm Pree Dis. Until next week, boom, I'm out.